Saxilby West Bank Station, level crossing in Lincoln with Elsie trains. Down the first two go. Down the other two go. Wait for the radars to clear. There we go. Now, hold on. There we go. Time now is 14:01 on Tuesday, the 20th of July 2020, and you are down for the 14:02 Northern service to Sheffield. Saxilby. This is my first day at Saxilby. Where are you going? Wait, is it actually at Lincoln Central, Sheffield? Let's have a look. Yeah, 14:02. Oh, yeah, it's Sheffield, Lincoln Central. Sorry about that. Here it is!